Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar start as a prayer to the sun. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses which is stringed together. Each of the posture have a very different benefits, and Surya Namaskar as a whole gives a phenomenal stretch to the body. No other exercise can compare to the kind of stretch Surya Namaskar gives. Besides being a great cardiovascular workout, Surya Namaskar is also known to have an immensely positive impact on the body and mind. Surya Namaskar ideally done on an empty stomach. Best it is early morning or late in the evening before dinner. Each round of Surya Namaskar consists of 2 sets, and each set is composed of 12 yoga poses. Besides good health, Surya Namaskar also provides an opportunity to express gratitude to the sun for sustaining life on this planet. Benefits of Surya Namaskar are right on the screen. First, make sure you are standing tall on front of your mat, your toes pointing forward, your feet are parallel and directly below the hip. Roll your shoulder back. Your chest is open, chin is parallel to the floor. Look at a point in front of you. Inhale, exhale, palm together in front of the chest in Pranamasana. Inhale, lift the arms up in Hasta Utthana Asana, lengthening both sides of your body, keeping the bicep close to the ear and slightly arch back. Exhale, bend forward from the waist, keep the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Keep your knees straight and try to touch the head to your knee in Padhasta Asana. Inhale, push your right leg back, your knee on the mat, your foot is flat, hip is down, chest open, chin up. Look in front in Asva Sanchal Asana. Ensure that your left foot is exactly in between the palm and knee at 90 degrees. Left leg back. Keep the leg in line with the knees. Engage the core muscle. The whole body weight should rest on the palm and toes. Whole body in straight line. Look ahead toward the ground in Dandasana. Exhale, Ashtanga. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and allow hip to stay up. Bring your chest and chin on the floor. 2 feet, knees, 2 hands, chest and chin should touch the floor in Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Slide forward, chest and chin up till navel point. Keep your elbow bent in this pose with shoulders away from the ear. Exhale, Parvatasana. Lift the hip and tailbone up to bring the body into inverted V pose. Try and keep the heels on the ground and make a gentle effort to lift the tailbone up, going deep into the stretch. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalasana. Take your right leg forward and keep your left knee on the mat. Hip is down, chest is open, chin up, look up. Then bring the other leg forward and stretch all the way down. Drop your head down in Padhasta Asana. Inhale, stretch your arm forward. Roll your spine up and slightly arch back, head between your arms. Exhale and bring the palms together in front of the chest in Pranam Asana. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax in Samasthiti.
We have just finished on our right side. Now we will be going to do on our left side all the 12 asanas. This time we will be going to do with mantra chanting. Let's go. Do together.